Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to actually trim down an A5 paper from an A4 size paper and ensure that you're not cutting too much, especially if you don't have crop marks or trim marks at all. And as you can see, this is too much, so I'll like to share with you how to prevent that. So I'm using here an EU, a UK A4 standard size paper, so this is not an A4 letter size. I'm using the B5 size as a reference, and especially the 18 centimeter mark to cut this down. And then I am going to turn this round and use the A5 size as a reference to ensure that this is the correct size. I am going to secure this, ensure it's straight, and trim this down. Then unfortunately, yeah, we've got on the paper no straight lines or crop marks or trim marks, so it's making it so much harder to actually understand where to cut. And we could be using the paper cutter as a reference, but I'm going to use a ruler and measure 43.5 millimeters in two different places so I can create a parallel line, a straight line. Like such, and I'm going to use this as a reference in order to cut it down. Maybe it would have been smarter to do it on the back, just in case. Obviously it's not going to be 100% perfect all the time, but it's close enough, so I'm just going to do my best here to ensure that I'm not cutting too much. It's always better to cut less than too much, because obviously you can't take from where there is not anymore. So I'm cutting this down. I don't like the fact that I can still see the line, so I'm going to give it a go. So again, and trim that down. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this paper and trim the last bit down. So I'm using this time the 21 centimeter mark right there as a reference, and place the top like so, secure it and trim it down. And now there you go, you've got an A5 size paper from an A4 standard European size paper. I hope this helped. Thank you so much. Until next time.